The ABB FlexArc product line is a globally engineered solution that combines ABB robots with a wide range of ABB standard positioners. We combine that with welding power supplies, torch clean stations, all the safety and guarding, light curtains, the ABB bullseye, so everything you need for a standard cell. The ABB FlexArc product line has been a globally offered solution for over 20 years. About 10 years ago, we decided to start building them in Canada for a number of reasons. One, it allows us to build cells that conform to the local Canadian safety standards. Two, it also allows us to keep that in-house knowledge of what goes into the system so we can continually improve the products for our customers here in the Canadian market.
I am Rob Ireland, President of Guelph Manufacturing Group. We do metal stampings, wire formed assemblies, tube forming, everything from a simple stamping all the way to full auto seat frames. We're committed to working with our customers, providing them quality products and services that they have become to expect from Guelph Manufacturing. The ABB FlexArc solution gives Guelph Manufacturing the ability to provide the consistency in the product. A lot of our weld conditions are a short tack weld and challenging for an individual to do day in, day out with that consistency and quality. Of course, productivity and throughput improvements are always realized when you can automate a process.
The quantities for the parts for the customers, they were high volumes were coming up, and the robots were more consistent, reliable. It was very easy to integrate.
Back in the day, we started off MIG welding manually, and we were relying on humans to produce quality parts and try to achieve the production numbers that we needed. And we realized real soon that robotic welding was the way to go.
The manufacturing industry, and more specifically the welding industry, has been facing a labor shortage for years. The American Welding Society reports that in 2021, the average age of a welder is 55 years old. So every year, more welders are retiring from the job and less younger workers are coming in.
The FlexArc product line is ideal for customers like Guelph Manufacturing because it allows for short startup times. It allows for local customization. We can go in and see how they're making their products and help them make a better product through our standard products. In addition to that, we provide Robot Studio. This way they can check fixtures and start programming almost immediately. Here at ABB Brampton, we have a applications team of weld engineers that allow us to work very closely with the customers. Having a local team with over 70 years experience means that they can count on our expertise rather than having the expertise in-house.
The welding group, the programming group, they've all been really helpful to the company, and the training through them has also been incredible. And I recommend an ABB robot to anybody.